Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Today you are going to see about the number of moles required for 44 gram of carbon dioxide in the combustion of ethane. So if you combustion of ethane, so how many moles it is going to produce carbon dioxide now. So now first you want to write the balance equation for the reaction ethane C2H6. For the combustion process oxygen is needed. So if you burn, it produce carbon dioxide and water, all are in the form of gas. So now you balance 2 carbon and this side 1, so you write 2 here. So the carbon is balanced, and hydrogen 6 hydrogen, and here only 2 hydrogen. So if you write 3, the hydrogen is balanced. Now you come to oxygen. So 3 plus 4 7 oxygen, but here only 2 oxygen. So this can be written as 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means what? 3.5. We need 7 oxygen. So 3 by 7 by 2 means what? 3.5 into 2 means it equal to 7. So 1 mole of, what is this actual reaction? 1 mole of ethane is going to require 3.5 mole of oxygen to give 2 mole of carbon dioxide and 3 mole of water. Now you will correct this fraction. If you multiply the whole equation into 2, the 2 get cancelled. So this become, if you multiply the whole equation into 2, so 2C2H6 plus, if multiply by 2 means this one is going to cancel, 7O2 gives 2 into 2 4 carbon dioxide and 6 water molecule. So in this combustion reaction, 2 moles of ethane involved in the combustion to give 4 moles of carbon dioxide and 6 moles of water. Now what you want to find out, how many moles of ethane required? How many moles of ethane required to produce 44 gram of carbon dioxide? Now you want to calculate based on the number of moles. By this equation, 2 moles, 4 moles of carbon dioxide or the 2 moles of ethane required to produce 4 moles of carbon dioxide. 4 moles of carbon dioxide. Now we want to find the number of moles of ethane. Number of moles of ethane to produce 44 gram of carbon dioxide. So to produce, therefore, to produce 44 gram of carbon dioxide, the dash, so the dash number of ethane required. So what is that? How many moles? The 2 moles of ethane. How many moles in this reaction involves? 2 moles of ethane involved to produce 4 moles. Now we want to calculate how many moles of ethane required to produce 44 gram, because the 44 gram is equal to 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Now we want to calculate how many moles of ethane. So now what is this? 2 moles. In this equation, now you can see this 2 moles of ethane produce 4 moles of carbon dioxide. So 2 moles of ethane produce 4 moles of carbon dioxide. So if you cancel 1 by 2, 1 by 2 equal to 0.5 moles of ethane. 0.5 moles of ethane. So now by this you can came to know that so how many moles required? 0.5 moles is required to produce 44 gram of carbon dioxide for the combustion reaction. So this is also you can easily calculate by this by the equation. What is this? 2 moles. 2 moles of ethane gives 4 moles of carbon dioxide. So 1 mole of carbon dioxide required how many moles of ethane? So how many moles of ethane it requires? 0.5 moles of ethane. So I hope you understand this problem. Thank you children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button to receive the latest update. Thank you.